Helo! Croeso nôl I Amser Stori gyda Tonya. Heddiw, rydyn ni'n mynd I darllen amdano cath fach cheeky o'r enw Maw. Enw'r stori ydy Amser Chwarae Maw. Stori a lluniau gan Richard Llwyd Edwards. Mae Maw a'i ffrindiau wrth y ffenest. Maen nhw'n gwylio Mr Ed yn mynd allan yn ei gar yn y glaw. Mae Maw eisiau mynd allan hefyd. Mae Maw eisiau mynd allan I chwarae, ond mae'n bwrw glaw yn drwm. Maw. Felly, does dim dewis ganddyn nhw. Mae rhaid I Maw, Kitty a Tommy chwarae yn y tŷ. Maen nhw'n chwarae yn y lolfa gyntaf. Ac maen nhw'n dod o hyd I Vox Tools Mr Ed. Maen nhw'n mwynhau esgus trwsio pethau. Maw. Yn y gegin, maen nhw'n chwarae fo bwyd o'r oergell. Blasus iawn. Yna, maen nhw'n penderfynu pobi teisen I Mr Ed. Pa fath o deisen fydd I tybed? Ar ôl gwneud y deisen, mae'n rhaid tacluso'r gegin a golchi'r llestri. Dyna hwyl. Maw! Yn y golchdy, mae Maw a'i ffrindiau yn trefnu'r dillad glân. Nac wedyn, mae'n amser chwarae llithro I lawr y grisiau. Yn y cwtsh dan grisiau, mae Maw yn gweld y signwr llwch. Bydd yn ofalus, Maw? Maen nhw'n chwarae ar y byrfiau sglefrio yn y stafell chwarae. Ac yn cael hwyl gyda'r offer peintio ac arlunio, a chwarae'r offerynnau cerdd I gyd. Bang, 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 wee, maw, 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 maw. I fyny'r grisiau yn y stafell wely, mae Maw, Kitty a Tommy yn canu'n swnllyd gyda'r peiriant karaoke. Maw! Yn y stafell wely arall, maen nhw'n gwisgo dillad a chyluro. Rwy ti'n hardd, Maw? Ar ôl hynny, roedd rhaid chwarae yn y bath wrth gwrs. Maw. Yna, aeth Maw, Kitty a Tommy i'r lolfa I ymlacio flan y teledu. Ond beth yw'r sŵn 'na? Mae Mr Ed yn ôl. Edrychwch, dwi ddim yn bwrw glaw. Mae'r haul yn gwenu. Hwrê! Mae Maw, Kitty a Tommy yn rhedeg allan drwy'r drws cefn I chwarae yn yr ardd. Brysiwch cyn I Mr Ed weld y llanast I gyd. Maw. Trian ar Mr Ed. Mae ganddo tipyn o waith tacluso, ond mae Maw a'i ffrindiau'n chwarae'n hapus yn yr haul braf. Mae wedi bod yn amser chwarae gwych. Maw! Tir dyma! Y diwedd. Tara. Odi chi yn gallu creu llun I fi o un o'r stafelloedd mae Maw yn chwarae ynddo? Hello! How are we all today? Welcome to Story Time with Tonya. Now today's story is about a very cheeky cat called Maw, and it's called Maw's Playtime, and the story and pictures are by Richard Llwyd Edwards. Maw and his friends are at the window. They're watching Mr Ed go out into his car in the rain. Maw! wants to go outside too. Maw wants to go out to play, but it's raining heavily. So they have no choice. Maw, Kitty and Tommy have to play in the house. They play in the living room first, where they find Mr. Ed's toolbox. They enjoy playing at fixing things. Wow. In the kitchen, they play with food from the fridge. Very tasty. Then they decide to bake a cake for Mr. Ed. What kind of a cake, I wonder? After making the cake, they have to tidy up and wash the dishes. That's fun. Wow. In the laundry, Maw and his friends sort out the washing. And then it's time to play sliding down the banister. Whee! Meow! In the understair cupboard, Maw sees the vacuum cleaner. Oh, Maw, be careful. They play on their skateboards in the playroom and have loads of fun with the painting and drawing equipment. And play all of the musical instruments. Upstairs in the bedroom, Maw, Kitty and Tommy are all making a lot of noise with the karaoke machine. In the other bedroom, they dress up and put makeup on. You look beautiful, Maw. Maw. After that, they had to play in the bath, of course. Then, Maw, Kitty and Tommy go to the living room to chill out in front of the telly. But what's that noise? Oh, Mr. Ed is back. Oh, look, it stopped raining. The sun is shining. Hooray! Maw, Kitty and Tommy race out through the back door to play in the garden. Oh, hurry up before Mr. Ed sees all the mess. Meow. Poor Mr. Ed. He's got a lot of tidying up to do. But Maw and his friends are playing in the sunshine. Oh, it's been a fantastic playtime. Maw, come here. Maw. The end. Bye. Can you create a picture for me of one of the rooms that Maw is enjoying playing in?